What up? We back. We back and we live. Yo! What up? Flip. What up, CT? I am exhausted and I'm about to have let me get Celsius tropical vibe. Yo, what up, John? Yo, I just realized tomorrow, we have massive news tomorrow. Massive. Huge. It just hit me. Oh, it's actually not tomorrow. It's Wednesday. CPI is Wednesday. CPI is Wednesday. PW had a CEO of funded something or other on an AM. Seemed cool. Yeah, I definitely didn't see it, but that's cool. I'll take a look. Yo, did you see he quoted me over the weekend? Did you see he quoted me or no? I'm gonna have to fucking scroll for this bad boy. Let me see. What day was it? I think it was Saturday morning. I'm looking. I don't even know what day is today. Oh, I can't even find it. So he was in that like Twitter beef with, I guess, Danny or whatever, and they run a Discord where you pay them, right? So just follow me. These guys run a Discord. You pay them to learn how to trade, to become really good traders. They say everybody there is a great trader. They open up a prop firm. Who is their clientele going to be instantly? It's going to be their whole trading room, right? But if their whole trading room trades really good, you'd bankrupt the prop firm in 2 seconds, right? So it's either your trading room doesn't trade that well, it's one or the other. Like, you're obviously not you're obviously not teaching them if it just doesn't make any sense. Yeah, like, Topstep telling you about, but that's like, they're not charging you to teach you how to trade. These guys are charging you to teach you, and then you blow accounts. What's wrong with my mic? I don't know. Do you hear me? Do you not hear me? I was just saying how Patrick quoted me over the weekend. What's wrong with my mic? I don't know. Do you hear me? Seems like you guys hear me fine. Any thoughts on one up trader? I don't even know. I would probably not use them. Yo, every time somebody says there's something wrong with my mic, they have the volume down on their computer. Sounds like a smoke alarm or a chart alert. Oh, yeah, I have alerts that are going off. Hold on. Do you hear an echo? Does anybody hear an echo? I do not hear an echo. Are you kidding me? They bottom ticked me and now they're going to rip this thing? I might just hold this. No stop loss. Not one little bit. Do not do this, by the way, but there's no stop loss on this bitch. Hey, Cove, just bought a Topstep combine for the first time. Have you or anyone else? I've never connected Topstep to NinjaTrader in my life. I would assume it's the same way that you do all the other ones, but I've never done it. It probably works, just never did it. Rhythmic is having issues today. They are. So if you tried it earlier, try it right now. By the way, I'm going to tell you something in 2 seconds, actually, which is quite interesting. Very, very interesting. I'll actually read it to you. Forget Rhythmic. Are the longs free? The longs are never free. They tell you they are, but they're never free. They might reset it. I can see them resetting it. All right, here you go. I am going to bring this up, and I'm going to read it to you. So I got an email early. Where's the email? You guys ready for this? Thank you for your interest. We're excited to welcome you on air and learn more about your trading background and strategy. Please review the calendar here and select the time frame that works best for you. It looks like I'm going to be on Topstep TV. I submitted that thing like 6 weeks ago, but I know people have asked. So yeah, so Topstep TV, here I come. We'll have some fun. I can tell you that much. I am going to clap it up. It's gonna be good. I don't know. So it'll probably be in March, but yeah, it'll probably be in March, and probably I'm just looking at the calendar right now. I just got to make sure I have nothing going on, but I am going to shoot for probably probably like March 10th or the 17th, or 3rd, 10th, or 17th. It's gonna be a Monday. Question is, Apex ever reset people's stuff or issue? Yeah, they can, Ginzo. Gizno. Yeah. Yeah, just contact them, man. They'll help you out. I gotta slip a free long in there. I'm gonna have a lot of fun on there. I'm gonna light up some accounts while on the stream. Like, I don't care if there's a trade set up or not. Daddy's gonna slap on like 5 minis. And that's it. On some type of XFA funded account. I gotta pass one. That's not a problem. I'm actually gonna pass a couple this week because I want to be prepared on the thing to have some XFAs. But yo, this is setting up to be a free long. Yo, we're gonna hammer this shit. Yo, I'm gonna tell him, yo, this is looking so good. I'm about to call grandma up and tell her to get in with me. Yo, grandma, get in this. We're about to go to the moon. I can't wait till somebody asks me where my stop loss is. I'm like, bro, there's no stop loss on this trade. I might even have a shirt that says no stop loss or what stop loss. I got to see. Tell them about the duck race. Bro, I should put this. Yeah, I'm going to leave this like this. I'll have the duck. I'll have the little duck in the camera. And he'll just be sitting there. Yeah, little ducky. He'll just hang out the whole day. There we go. What up, Joyce? Dude, you got my live stream on 2 browser tabs. I will say 99% of the time somebody has an audio issue, it's usually you. So, Mr. Cove, tell us about these free longs. Well, first you got to put out the shorts with the red rocket in there. And then from there, we move to free longs. Oh, hey, Joyce. Yeah. Hard day. What happened? Blew some accounts? But yeah, I am I'm definitely going to do I'm definitely gonna have some fun with it though. So we'll see what happens. I don't know what they're gonna talk about. I know they do like a pre-call and whatnot, so I don't know what they want to talk about, why we're on, but we will have some fun. I'm going to act as if there's nobody even watching. Like, I don't care. We're just going to have fun. Oh, I'm going to be making posts about it leading up to it. You'll know. You will definitely know. I'll talk about it, and I'll post it on YouTube a bunch of days, like leading up, and let everybody know. But yeah, we're going to it's the first time I've been on somebody else's like stream. Yo, this one goes out to all the coaches. Dude. But yeah, I mean, I think it'd be fun. I think it'd be really fun, you know? I've told other prop firms, like, if you guys ever decide to do something, I wish they had like an options firm or like a prop firm that also did like options. You know how like FTMO is buying Oanda? like a prop firm was bought by like, this will never happen, but like E-Trade or something like that, where they do options, or like AMP. If AMP bought Apex, so there was a prop firm. Actually, AMP doesn't even have options, but you get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying. But yeah, it will be a Monday in March, most likely. I'm just looking at what they have on the calendar. Yo, imagine mid-show, I'm just like, yo, can we pause this for a second? I gotta go take a dump real quick. Yo. Nah, I want to be invited back. So I won't do anything crazy, but we'll have some fun. I definitely want to slam contracts while on the thing, regardless of setup. Just be like, bro, I'm going all in. Yo, what up? Joseph, I'll be honest with you, man. Being that you're full-time, you should be doing more than just futures. My payout just went up in fucking smoke, but we haven't gone anywhere since 12:55. What happened? Yo, imagine as soon as they say they're getting in a trade, you just see me click it and go the opposite way. I will full port on the stream. I'll go 5 minis in a funded account. Yo, if it hits, you're gonna see me like fucking do the dance. Yo, maybe if I hit on the stream, I'll do the Trump dance. Give him the old Trump dance. You went short at 12:30. Oh, down here. Yo, I will hit them with the Trump dance. I'll be like, with the fuck. That's exactly what I'll do if I hit. Oh, man. But yeah, something I wanted to do. It's on the bucket list. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, design. They just pumped it all night. Just one big pump show. Oh, it's okay. Here, it's okay. 2 thumbs up. It's okay. My goal is to get 15 to 20 PAs and trade consistently to where I can cover my monthly nut. After I get that, I'll diversify. I only say that because it's easier to get monthly income the other way. And that's just an honest opinion. But by the way, I put on a massive short today on STZ. If anyone's following stocks, STZ, I am in short. But yeah, I think I don't know if you're gonna. I mean, poker. Are you blown up, or are you still got the account still there? Yeah, I mean, listen, that's the biggest part, right? Is getting the expenses paid. I would definitely say that's the biggest part, is making sure you got money. But do I know anything about golf? Yeah, man, I golf. I'm actually going in April. I'm going to play TPC Sawgrass, I think, over in by Jacksonville, Florida. I am gonna. You're at 2,100 on. Oh, geez, you're at a payout, man. Yo, Kid Poker, you're at a payout. You just had a flip, right? Let's go and break through. Oh, you need another day of 50? Yo, you don't set the daily loss in your thing? Blades for 1 year to master his swing and struggled. He made the same claim. Want to master the game using the most challenging clubs. Dude, I can't fucking. I'll be honest with you. I told myself that I would love to get really good at golf, where I shoot like consistently 80. Like 80, I am an 80. But I don't have the time to do it. Yeah, I mean, if I went out right now, I would probably shoot a 92. But I sit between 90 and 95 for the most. And I'm talking like no mulligans, no. You hit the ball out, it's an extra point, like real rules. I'll shoot 90 to 95. I wanted to get to where I was hitting, 77 to 83 every single time I go out. I was gonna join like a golf club, but I did not yet. We played weekly with a former D2 national champ in the game at. Oh yeah, I bet. I have a friend who's in his early 50s, and he hits like in like the mid 70s on the courses here. He's like a club championship, a club, top at the country club guy. I don't belong to the country club, but he's like a top guy at the country club, and he golfs like 5 times a week. Yo, I'm going to be honest with you. I am not loving this. I'm not loving this if it breaks. The reason why I don't love this is we're unable to break above this. It has that look where it can't break above it, and at some point we're just going to end up back down. So TradeZilla is like a journal, right? Isn't that like a journal or something? Honestly, Joseph, there's a few setups a day that I really like. And if I wasn't streaming, I would probably trade a lot less. Four under. Dude. I just want to get to the point that I can, when I go out with people, I crush the average guy. You know, just crush him. We had a day like this not too long ago where we shot up in the morning, we dipped, and then we chopped around. And I want to say at the end of the day, we dumped. Why is it? I'm making this my stop all the way up here. I want to see us trade all the way down. The old 200 bounce real quick. I have a feeling it's going to go way past it. I'm just curious if we come back up a little bit, get a better entry. It feels like it's going to continue lower. Yo, Kid Poker, you're getting that short you wanted. If you're still in it, looks like you might get your money. Oh, man. Oh, baby. Look. It actually made one of those freaking bearish engulfing things up here. Your stop would be 79. If you look, though, on the trend indicators, you've just been red for the last 40 minutes on the lower and the higher ones. Oh, you're on the ES? I don't trade the ES. ES, yeah. Not a big ES guy. All right, fuck it. Right? Fuck it. We gonna elevator down this bitch or what? Oh. $160. Yo, Gavin. Wait, Garen. What up, man? Yeah, I'm just trying to remember everyone's actual name. So much easier. Yo, today has been like a chop fest, man. We arrived at the ground floor, only down 450 now. Yo, but if you're only down 450, you're still above the payout threshold. By the way, Tradeify has a deal running right now. I meant to tell you guys. I don't know if you even care, but Tradeify is 40% off straight to funded accounts. Well, I said 30, but it's actually 40%. It ends today, and you can only buy one. I think you got to use coupon code. If you try mine, try it. Click the link. If not, use coupon code EAGLES, and it's 40% off. Oh, that's right. They changed the rules around. They changed the rules. It kind of feels like what sucks is we can't stay below this pivot point at 55. Every time we go like near it, it just kind of bounces. I like this for the short side. I think there's more juice to the short side where you can go all the way down to VWAP. Zero follow through today. Dude, this is real interesting. What the fuck? That's interesting. Zero follow through. Oh, I just cracked my back. My back. I'm still on this shit seat. This is a tight ass stop. This is a TAS. Tight ass stop. Basically, it traded back up to the 9, and as long as we stay below the 9, I'm okay shorting at the 9. But if it breaks above, I'm out. So we'll see what happens. What indicator is that? I don't know what screen we're looking at here. Victor. Is it this screen? Or is it the pivot points? Maybe I was talking about pivot points. Oh, baby. All right, I just bought one back. I'm moving my stop down. I'm moving my stop down, boys. We locking in gains here. Keep it rolling. I got my stop. So, all right, we got stopped out. We still made money. So we made 115 and 80 bucks. No, 115 and something else. I don't know. We made money. We fucking made money, guys. Those horizontal green and red. Okay. You talking about this thing right here? This is adaptive. Oh my God. Adaptive trend flow. It's basically just the trend, and it tells you kind of if it's in the sell mode or buy mode. This is on the 1 minute. And I use the 15-second, not that I'm trading off the 15-second candles. It's more of 15-second, but based on the trend. That's it. I'm going to fucking just light up one of these things. Just light up an eval, see if we can smash or pass real fast. What up, Nism? Puts did well. I had puts over the weekend. No, I closed them out for a little bit of a loss over the weekend. They would have done well with that China news. The market dumped and then they just bought it back up. Adaptive, not rotative. Adaptive. Adaptive trend flow. Yeah, I mean, I didn't really trade much today, to be honest with you. I didn't trade a whole lot. Dude, yo, I drank a Celsius. My brain was going crazy. Yeah, it was a quick, yep. But I mean, I'm up. I'm definitely up in everything. I've told everybody that I put on a pretty big short position in STZ. In church, you meant gamble much today? I don't know. Maybe. Isn't every day a gamble? Every day is a gamble, brother. You just shorted a lower low. Yeah, I'm just in an eval. These are smash or passes. I've explained that. I don't know what you want. Yo, what up, Pine? Please, you tell me what do you want me to do? You meant gamble much today. Dude, I wanted to play that bounce at open, and I got caught up making wings. So I did not. But yeah. Oh, dude, I don't care, man, because I'm playing an eval. Like, I got rebuild over the weekend with them. I didn't even want new accounts. I am not worried one bit. If you don't trade your evals like real money, you'll never succeed. Topstep will not take you if you do that. Okay, dude. Please, the God of trading is in the room. Tell us, Inter. Tell us what we should do. Tell me. Tell me right now. Actually, better yet, brother, take a screenshot of all your payouts. and put it in the Discord so we can all look at it. I will give you the link right now. And trust me, I'll be waiting to see it. And I hope you've got a lot of payouts. I really do. But let me guess, you don't want to go in the Discord. Give me an excuse. Just give me the excuse now. Say, hey, I don't want to go in the Discord because I don't have any fucking payouts or something. Right there. Come on. Yo, right now he's on Fiverr. Right now, yo, I just heard him actually. Siri, how do I Photoshop payouts?
Okay, I found this on the web for how do I Photoshop.
Yo, how do I Photoshop payouts? The last trade I took with a funded account, we made money. I'm not trading any funded accounts currently. Got to smash or pass, brother. I went from hoping to gambling. Dude, I made a whole video about money I made last month. Go for it. Yo, I love trolling. I'm just waiting for the I'm waiting for a screenshot though. Gotta smash your pass. Yo, gotta guess your way in and guess your way out, brother. I know. I told you guys, see, I don't even want the evals, to be completely honest with you. I didn't really want them. It's one of those things. Oh, I'm going on Topstep TV, man. I got the email to go on Topstep TV. Bro, yeah. Guys worried about fucking. Dude, I'm not even having a great day. I'm having a shit day, right? I got my evals covered. I'm good, brother. I'm still waiting to see your screenshot, though. So show me it. But yeah, I'm good today. Don't worry, man. Bro, what sound? I don't know if I can. I'm not sure I can let any rip. I don't know what the protocol is. Bro, I told you guys all about Lemonade, right? He's creating the layers in Photoshop right now. Yo, I told you about Lemonade at 32 bucks. It's at what? It hit 30. Did it hit 38 today or 36? What do we got? Oh, it hit 38.50 today. Well, we're up 20% in a stock in like 2 weeks. I mean, it's pretty good. Yo, Inter.
Nobody cares.
Dude, you were pounding the table on serve, brother. Yo, I think it hit like 38.70 today. Not even like just 38. It's at 38.20 right now. It got as high as oh shit, it hit $39.22 today. Really, you're short? I can see that. Yeah, I'll flip it. Hit 39.20 today. I did indeed tell everybody to get in Lemonade. I can't. You know. Yo, Knob's been telling us about Serve also since the 16s. I meant to look into Serve actually. The problem I saw with Serve was the revenues just weren't there for me. I like to see revenues increasing quarter after quarter, and they just weren't high enough. But the industry they're in is massive. We did it, Joe. Millions and millions. Yo, what up, Forex Nurse? First timer? Yo, Forex Nurse says first timer here, and instantly Joseph writes, I'm gonna come. Oh shit. Welcome to the hangout. First timer here. Yo. I had to fucking screenshot that. Yo, how's the chat? First time here. Well, welcome to the chat. That's awesome. I gotta shut this thing off. Oh man, that's so funny. That's hysterical. That made my day. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's so funny. That's so funny. I screenshotted it, man. That's one of those. I'm going to throw that in the Discord. Oh, man. But yeah, it's definitely barcoding. I mean, it's I think we're going to make a solid move here the last probably half hour. Yo, 98-year-old grandma here. Wonderful channel you have. ... I'm going to come. Oh, remember we all had a 500-point spike today since yesterday. Dude, it's crazy. What's up, Enchanted? Yeah. Well, I use Apex, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader. I use a bunch. I have an AMP account. Why did I use Apex? Well, I just got rebilled without knowing. Also, Apex just paid me. You know, I just took out a bunch of payouts with Apex. They denied me on one payout, but you know, it's not like if I had to give you like a top 2 companies, I'd probably not tell you Apex. I would say Take Profit Trader and My Funded Futures are the best 2 out there that I think. I just know majority of the people trade with Apex, so that's why I use them on the stream a lot. But I have no problem. I think quality companies like this, they took money from your account. Yeah, I requested, what was it? 2 weeks ago, I requested money on Monday. I got approved. Requested another payout on Tuesday, got approved. Requested another payout on Wednesday. They denied that payout. But it is what it is. I still, I just keep building the account up. That's all I could do. Then they'll just owe me more money. Oh, yeah, that's true. If they took money out of your account, aren't they sending you the money? Aren't they sending you money? I hope I didn't run her off. Imagine that was pretty unexpected for her. Dude, it's all good, man. If if that runs somebody off, then they're probably not for this chat. How's that sound? You know, I feel like this is a chat where we hang out, have some fun, and make money. And if you're not into having fun, this is probably not the spot for you. If you're looking to be boring and just fucking talk about, you know, I don't know, your fair value gaps and, you know, all day, and you're just not going to have any fun, then there's probably other channels. But if you want to have a good time and hang out and make money, I feel like the people in here are great. And I don't care if there's 10 people having fun or 500 people having fun. As long as I'm enjoying myself and you guys are enjoying it, that's what it's about. Apparently someone transferred and didn't want to fix what they did. I would contact them and see what's up. Oh yeah, Pine Tree just hit you up. Yeah, just I got to open it. I didn't even set it up yet, to be honest with you. I'll set it up in like 20 minutes, 15 minutes. What about average gaps? Oh, man. Just making our way back up. I'm telling you, it's just holding the pivot point. Just holding it. What about thigh gaps? Jeez, dude. If you look at the hourly, it does look like we're flagging. So this is the hourly right here. You're getting a nice little flag here. You're holding the 9 moving average on the hourly, and you're probably going to get a move back up and probably target 970 is probably where I would say we're going to go. Yo, nap time? Peace. Yeah, Nism, well, I appreciate it. I try to make it enjoyable. Try to give some knowledge. I like doing the back testing for indicators. I've been filling gaps since 1998. Jeez. But yeah, this is the hourly. I do think we're gonna break out of here. Ooh, stretch my back. But on the higher time frames, I would probably say we were bullish, even though you got this massive chop. I kind of wish oh man. Jeez, Sean. Just letting it rip over here today. Florida State Retirement Fund just opened a 1.9 million position in Trump media. That's interesting. That's definitely interesting. DJT. I actually don't know what DJT actually does, but to Wendy's Dumpster has come to the chat. Yo, what up, Dora? What up, what up? This is why I need big dude. I'm in. I gotta talk to I'll talk to my friend. Oh, it's Truth Social. I'll be honest with you, Twitter has a ton of great information because it's impossible for one person to look at all this shit at once. So you need different places to get good information from. Forex Nurse, if this is your first time in the chat, You probably, well, first of all, I didn't even start it up yet. I'll start it up in like 5 minutes. Streamlabs may not let you join because you haven't been here. It might take you like a half hour or an hour of being in the chat to join. I don't know how it does it. Just being honest with you. That stops people from coming in with 10 different accounts and just joining. Also, I'm going to do the poll. Well, I got a bunch of messages. I got some DMs. So we're going to actually change the giveaway around a little bit. I am actually going to change the giveaway around a little bit. You guys have asked me for this. So it's up to you guys if you wanted it or not. I don't know if you guys like Take Profit Trader, what the deal is. Yeah. I have this weird feeling they're going to rip this shit end of day. They just got Wi-Fi behind the building. I'm going to change it up a little bit. Couple people have DM'd me on Discord about a couple things. So, yeah, I'm going to have to change up. I'll talk about it right before we run the duck race. Boom. 1K away. Dude, you're 1K away. That's pretty solid. Take it easy, Fred. Don't freaking slam it or anything. I just have this feeling that they're going to rip it end of day. I can't believe I missed out on that serve. I should have just fucking bought it. Nah, I should have just bought it and said, whatever, I'm holding it, and it is what it is. Yo, a quick 10 cons, baby. You would have just passed that real quick. So glad I don't use multiple accounts. Don't want to get banned. What would you get? Oh, yeah, banned from the duck race. Come on, get over. Oh, haven't we all? Tradeify growth accounts? I have not used a Tradeify. Oh, I actually have one by mistake. Not by mistake, but I got one for like $10 during the Advent special that they were doing every day for the holidays. You've been short since 870. I'll be real. The only reason I like the long on the higher time frames. Is it going to play out, Josh? I have no idea, but this is the hourly. So this is the hourly. You can see how it's just kind of holding the 9. We moved up, we consolidated, and it looks like it's a bull flag on the hourly. Like we get back over like 88, they're going to full send this bitch all the way up. That's why I think they're gonna pop it here. Just the higher time frame. But is that gonna happen this hour? I don't know. And that's kind of what sucks. Yeah, but Josh, the problem is like in this setup, this is the last candle basically, because after this candle, it's after hours, and then it's just gonna reopen somewhere at 6 o'clock. Like I wish we were at 11 o'clock right now, and you'd say, okay, well, I got 4 more candles after this one to move up. The problem is we're kind of done. So that's why I'm kind of like, but it does look good. It's just, I don't know if it's going to happen in this trading session. That's how I feel, Design. Like they could have dumped this plenty of times and they just don't. I will tell you, I backtested this over the weekend, and this played out beautifully. It's set up. You would have gotten in, and you would have gotten the biggest move after the run up. It literally caught the top. Boom. They keep. Oh, I just cracked my back. My back. I need to roll my back out. But, yo, Josh, you see Lemonade hit $39.20 today? $39.20. Freaking wild. Wild, wild. No, just running. Not that I know of. I hope. Not that I know of. February 26th, they have earnings. Yo, please explain to me how you cannot take a screenshot and send it in a Discord so we can see your payouts. Explain to me that. I think the problem is you think I'm going to trade these trades. Like, I think the problem is you think I'm going to take like $300 and make 10 fucking trades to pass an eval. I am not. I am looking for one trade to pass the eval. We are not taking 10 trades to pass an eval. It is 1 to maybe 3. But if I take $300 or even $400, 3 trades doesn't get me there. Right? I'm not one bit upset. I'm just waiting for your screenshot. I'm just waiting for your screenshot. Yo, every time you literally type in here, like,
nobody cares.
Apex does get all the degen action. Random chat. Yo, what about the other guy that told me to shave on Thursday? And the guy was like, "Can you shave?" I was like, "What are you talking about, bro?" Yo, a Rips wannabe? I've never seen Rips trade in my life, honestly. So I don't really know how I can be somebody that I've never seen trade. But okay, then I just gamble, bro. We're still waiting for your statements. I don't understand. I don't understand what you don't understand. Yo, the guy wanted me to shave my scruff off. Yo, you know you made it when you start having haters. Dude, there's always people on the internet. Like, you think if we met up in Vegas, Inter will come up to me in Vegas and be like, yo, you're gambling, man. Like, obviously he wouldn't. He's just doing it because he's sitting behind a computer. I mean, let's all be real. Yeah, no offense, but you need to shave. I know. I was like, dude, what does that even have to do with anything? Yo, I can't believe you didn't tell him that his wife likes it. Because I try to keep it like somewhat like PG-13, I guess. You know, I'm not sitting here to try to fucking, you know, get like that. I try to keep it somewhat decent, you know. What's crazy is I would love this market to dump for my own personal stock account reasons. Damn, we just fucking ripping. By the way, I told you guys about this before. Yo, I got in that STZ short. It's already up 359 today. It's already up 359. I grabbed $8,000 worth of puts. Yo, what up, Matt? Photoshop is done. Send it over. What up, Ray? Still holding Celsius? I have I think I am. What'd you see on this? What'd you just see? You probably know. Am I holding Celsius? Yes. I have I sold 21 and a half puts and I got 300 shares that are covered calls. Bro. I got to open the door. My kids just got home. Hold on one second. Be back in 2 minutes. Yo! Dude, tropical vibe is what I had. Celsius. Yo, Matt, SMCI was a good buy around there. It was a gamble, obviously, because of the whole auditor thing, but it's definitely paid off. What a day. Yeah, Carl, you could easily blown some accounts. It's that type of day. It is definitely that type of day. Smash or pass, baby. I mean, that's what it is. Smash or pass. All right, looks like we're going to do that. Dude, it barely moved today. It moved early on, and then it just kind of died out. Just kind of died. Hugely died. It can't get over the hourly opening range. It cannot stay over 873. That's been like the kryptonite. It's like stuck in this little thing between the 200 and the opening range. I will say, when it breaks either way, it's probably going to run hard. I would say it's going to break one way or the other before the market closes. I'm not saying it's going to go up. It could definitely drop. I just think that it's going to break one way or the other. I mean, we're at the same place we were at, what was it, like 1 o'clock? So 2.5 hours of not moving anywhere. It's probably going to go one way or the other, but hard. Maybe this is the dump. We shall see what happens. I'm waiting for a Trump tweet to come in.
Order rejected.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck just happened there? This eval is fucking smoked. I hate everything about chop days. There's nothing that's fun about this. I'm going to bring up the 15-second. You can see how many times it's just chopped. Oh, that's the 1 minute. It never flips this many times. It's a lot of freaking flips. Flip, flip, flip. Dude, I just got another email from Topstep. Topstep tells me, oh, someone from Topstep is on the stream, and they say they love my gambling. Crazy. They said, please continue to gamble more. It's great. Oh, yeah. I'm going to go on Topstep TV. Yep. Oh. No, I'm joking around, but I am going on Topstep TV. Tim emailed me today and said, I got to pick a day on the calendar. It's going to be a Monday in March. I see the calendar. I just got to verify that I'm going to be around on one of those days that I don't have like, I don't know, like my kid doesn't have something at school I got to go to or something like that. So I just want to make sure. You appreciate my gambling too? Yo, everything you do in life is a gamble, man. But yeah, I'll be on Topstep TV on a Monday in March. I got to get a shirt that says "What stop loss." Yo, Marie's definitely up again today. She's definitely up. This thing's looking not great. Dude, we literally since 1 o'clock, I don't know, pretty much like a 20-point range. Too scared. I wouldn't trade right now. I would trade an eval. I wouldn't light up a funded account. Funded account is probably not the thing to do. I would just say that, it's just choppy. It's not a good environment for a real money account. I've been getting a lot of good trades in pre-market lately. What time of the day? Like 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. or like 9 to 9:30? What up, Waldo? Dude, NQ is looking like ES. I am going to have to take profit, though, here because the drawdown is so low that I'm going to have to take some I'm going to have to take some type of profit so I don't get stopped on a bounce or something. Unless it doesn't come down anymore. Nine a.m. 7 a.m. to 9. Yeah. I've seen some big moves happen then. The problem with me is the spread is always so big. But if you're catching it, stick with what's working. Damn, I just got out just in time. Just in time. I did trade my Bullnox funded account today, though. That one's up 275 today. Man, this is what happens when there's no news. There's literally no news today. Need some type of driver. Tomorrow, I don't think there's that much news. Economic calendar. Let me see. Tomorrow we got Cleveland Fed president at 8:50. Powell testifies to Congress at 10. Fed President Daly speaks at 10:20. Another Fed at 3:30. Actually, two Fed president. Yeah, Fed President Williams speaks at 3:30, and Bauman speaks at 3:30. So you got a lot of Fed talking tomorrow, and then you got CPI on Wednesday, core PPI and jobless claims on Thursday. You got a lot of news Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The market's going to move around. You're going to have those Fed guys can say something and can really move the market. Like you don't think they can, but they can definitely move the shit around. One of them said something last week and it moved the market like 50 points and like real quick. Real quick. I mean, we've had nothing but lower highs. It kind of looks roundish. If you look, it's just like a rounded top. Just one big rounded top. Maybe we can dump all the way down to the VWAP right before end of the day. Which one's at 10 a.m.? Oh, the FOMC member? Yeah, I think that's what hosed us last week. They said some wild shit. Corey, the phone trader. What is causing I'm going to take that off. You're back? Yo, you getting phone calls, man? I see you getting profile visits. The VWAP. Hopefully you're getting calls, man. I'm going to be honest. I'm kind of tired of Trump already. Why does he have a hard-on for tariffs and no one wants? I think he's just trying to flex. He did it last time. So if you weren't trading back then, he did it last time a lot. Him and the China guy went back and forth. I don't know. I don't know. It's crazy. What people don't realize, if you want to see, yo, Ray, you should watch the China Hustle. And it basically talks about how the Chinese economy, yeah, I don't even know how to say that. Was it Z? I don't even know how to say his last name. I don't even know how to say his name, to be completely honest. So you got to watch the China Hustle. Oh, if you watch the China Hustle, the guy from Muddy Waters does the documentary, and it's basically it's basically how the Chinese economy is almost fake on these public companies. How they, oh, you saw it, Horizon? Yo, I tell everybody that you have to watch it. How do I know I've entered the raffle? It will tell you that you've entered the raffle. It'll tell you. Streamlabs makes it so you got to be in here for at least a half hour to an hour, and just so people can't make fake accounts and come in. But yeah, it's that documentary, man, is wild on how these publicly traded companies, they have no activity at the warehouses, and then like 2 days before there's going to be a site visit, all these trucks and workers show up and they start working, and then like 2 days after the visit's over, it all shuts down again, and none of it, yeah, it's just shells. So it's crazy, man. It's called the China Hustle. Would a squawk be worth it or too busy for you? What do you mean, like news? I like news. If you got news, throw it in here. I don't know where it streams now. I gotta look. Where to watch China Hustle? It's probably on Prime. So if you have Amazon Prime, I think you could watch it. It's free on Roku, it says. Free on Tubi. It's definitely worth watching. I mean, I watched it twice. It was so good. Oh, you found it? Sean, where'd you find it? Oh, you're gonna have to call me? Yo, Corey, you got my number. Just shoot me a text message so I know it's you, and I'll help you out. I'll help you out. Oh, it's on Prime. Yeah. What's up, Karen Bear? Yeah, go on Prime. Yeah, we could try it. What do you want to put it in this chat? Visible? Yeah, usually you gotta wait. You gotta wait like a day, unless you're active in the chat. I don't make the rules. Streamlabs tells me. I have a feeling they're gonna dump this thing. I like it on the hourly, to be honest. Like you look at the hourly. Oh, the hourly is starting to break down. Look at that. I mean, 832 holds. You're still holding the 9 moving average, but it's not looking great. Yo, what's crazy is that indicator literally called the top today. That's the top right there. It called the freaking top. You could see it in yellow. Wild. Prop firms love these days. They probably do. Yes, Sean. Focus on learning, not the giveaway. Yes. We're under the pivot point now. This is my last. Oh, man. It's just going to free fall. The VWAP is at 803. The VWAP would be a freaking solid drop and bounce. Actually, the VWAP and the top of the 15-minute orb are right next to each other, and you got the 800. I'd probably smash in with a couple of different accounts right there. You ready for some more poker? I can look into possibly doing it this week. If we don't do it this week, I'm not going to do it next week because I'm not around. Yo, Super Bowl wore me out too. That's why I had to have a Celsius today. I was exhausted. Bye-bye. All right. Bye-bye. Little Cove wants to pop in here. Not this week. Prepare for Valentine's. Oh, yeah, that's right. You got Valentine's Day. We're not doing it this week. Actually, the day we would do it would be, February 13th. Yeah, no, we're not going to do it. We're going to do it the week. We'll probably shoot for 27th of February. 27th. I think that would be a good day to do it. It's I got a bunch of people that have hit me up about it too. Oh wow, that was the algo candle right there. Look at that. I didn't even realize what time it was. Damn. They just lit that shit up. What is it? 164? Yo, if they come all the way down, I got my orders in. Musk-led group, 97 billion bid on OpenAI. Interesting. Yo, Cove, check if you get my email from Friday. I don't see anything from you from Friday. I see nothing from you from Friday. Nothing. You got filled at 59 on 1 micro and it dumped. Dude, yo, it seriously was. It was Lonely Hearts Club Poker Tournament. Yeah. Yo, Corey, I just got your text message. I'll help you out after, without a doubt. If you could hear me, maybe like 5:15, I'll help you out. Dude, this market today has been freaking choppy as fuck. What do you guys think? Dump it? Dump it? Dude, I'm just looking for a fucking eval to just dump. Ready? Smash or pass, boys? Smash or pass? Base hits, baby. Well, that's kind of what I did. As long as it stays above, I mean, I'm in 6 minis. PLTR, what do they have? Earnings today after hours? No, they had earnings already. No, this is gonna fucking pop. This market has been so fucking bad. Dude, I can't. You're still long? Bro, what do you. We just trended down the whole fucking time. You held this whole time? PLTR? I'll tell you right now. I thought they just had earnings. I could be completely wrong. Maybe I'm thinking about somebody else, which is completely could happen. Next PLTR earnings is May 5th. Yeah, PLTR was last week. I just looked it up. Yo, you want to take a nap, lay to flip, DCA to death? Oh, jeez. Got 5 minutes. Would you say your Pornhub was wrong? I meant Earnings Hub was wrong? I would love to see them run it into close, but I fucking just do something with this thing. Don't just chop it. Oh, baby. Yo, I told you guys. STZ, baby. I called this today. P-Hub always on point. Trump's on Fox, dude. You don't even know what's about to come out. I would say if he's on Fox, we're only going down. But you never know. Yeah, SMCI is crushing it. I almost jumped in at like 40 today, and last I looked, it was like 41 and a half. I was going to write some puts on it, but I didn't get there. All right, well, this is all in. Probably gonna smash this one too. This one doesn't seem like it wants to pass. Honestly, this is why I didn't want any evals. Dude, just drop it or rip it. There's no trade set up for a funded account here, just so you guys are fully aware. Like, this is not a funded trade setup. This is just slop, chop. Don't get caught in it. Do not get caught in it. Do not trade. Do not trade. Are they just going to unload this thing or what? I feel like there's more chance of unloading than up, but you never know. Do not come. I couldn't even get to my fucking thing fast enough. Oh, I couldn't get to it fast enough to close the position out. Unbelievable. I can't believe that just happened. I was just up $1,000 and I couldn't get to I went to the wrong fucking account. I went to the wrong account. So stupid. I can't believe that just happened to me. It's 4 o'clock. There we go. There we go. I mean, they're just evals. I'm not that fucking excited, to be honest with you. I mean, I wouldn't have traded that with a funded account. You know, that didn't really have funded account setup written over it. I want them to come all the way down here. I do not think that's going to, are they going to drop it 30 points after hours? Dude, that's, well, that's crazy. Cove, this show already has me hooked. Oh, the China Hustle, bro? Dude, it's so good. I watched it twice. I told you guys about it, man. It's so good. It's so good. Like, you have no idea. What is that gamble thing? Don't do it, Marco. It's just to get extra points in the chat. You can gamble and you can choose how many points. And then you can go on like little missions. It's just for fun to keep you out of doing bad trades, to keep you busy doing something else instead of bad trades if you want. Dude, Sean, you're going to watch it? You're just gambling the points that you accumulate by being on the chat. Dude, you're going to watch it and be like, man, these companies are such fraud. It's unbelievable. Dude, the Chinese government went after some guy who helped them out. I don't want to ruin any of it, but you'll just watch it and you're going to be like, dude, how is that possible? I'm already the family conspiracy theorist. Maybe I shouldn't add any more fuel to the fire. Marie, you should watch it. If you haven't, go on Amazon Prime and watch the China Hustle. You will, it'll open your eyes up. It will definitely open your eyes up. Stay below the 9. Stay below the 9. That's all I want. Just stay below this purple line and get torched. Anything above, I'm out. Dude, the deep dive is crazy, man. The deep dive is wild. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, just this is like long term. If Tesla's dumping, but if you really believe that they're gonna come out with robotic humanoids that are gonna replace a lot of the workforce, this might be the dip you're looking for. Like, I'm talking not today, not tomorrow. I'm just saying in general. If this gets down to like 300, 280, this could be the dip that you wanted to, if you believe that the humanoid robots that they make are going to change the future. If you don't believe in it, then it's nothing. This looks like it's going to do the limp, where it just rolls, just. Yeah, I mean, it's not something that's going to be like tomorrow or 6 months from now, but I mean, in 5 years from now, you know, if they do roll out the humanoids and it is for real, I mean, that share price can be a lot higher than it is today. Just throwing it out there. But I do want to dip. I would love to see it at like 280. 280 would be freaking amazing because you were just at 4 something. Obviously, the earnings were not. Should I dump SMCI before earnings? I can't tell you what to do. Honestly, I'm not a financial advisor, but I will say, like me personally, I personally don't like holding. If I own calls or own stock, I personally don't like holding into earnings. And if I do ever hold, I usually hedge by selling options. Like I'll sell calls against my stock, or if I'm in calls, I'll sell the calls and I'll turn around and sell puts. So I still make money if I'm bullish on it, but you got to do whatever you think is best. But the problem with options into earnings is there's a premium. And once the earnings takes place, if it doesn't move further than what the premium is, the premium gets sucked out and you will lose a lot of premium. Oh, I mean, if it's in a 401k, it's kind of whatever you think is going to happen. I personally have not dove into SMCI enough for me to put it in my retirement account. Yeah, IV Crush, baby. Yo, what up, TNT? Yeah, IV Crush. That's why I like selling options. I sell puts a lot of times into earnings on stocks I don't mind holding because you get IV Crush and it basically wipes that option to nothing and I collect all the premium. Yeah. You might be able to, I'm not saying to do it, but I'm almost positive if you had a 401k that was in like E-Trade, you should be able to trade options if you wanted to. I only say that because I have a retirement account that I could trade options in. I have a SEP that I trade options in. Man, I got no idea what the fuck we're all eating for dinner tonight. I don't even think I got food in this house. I would love this to flash down to like right over here. I'm just going to, oh shit, I just put 5. I don't know if we're going to get there, but I'm just going to put it orders here. And if we get there, we get there. And if we don't get there, we don't get there. I just think that if we got there, we would take a bounce off of it pretty good. Little Caesars? Dude, I'm out on Little Caesars, man. I'm definitely out on the Caesars. I'm so overcooking. Yeah, I was trying to be healthy. I don't know what to do. Little Caesars closed down. By us, those places don't make it that much because there's so many like good pizza shops by me. Double stack with cheese. I haven't had Little Caesars in probably 20 years. You're about to grill, dude. You're about to grill some steaks. I mean, that's where it's at. I wish I got no steaks. I might have burgers. Throw some burgers on the grill real quick. Yeah, yeah, fine. Without a doubt, nobody has Little Caesars over here. North Carolina, we don't have great pizza. Yeah, I know. Yeah, good. Yeah, good barbecue in the Carolinas, though. Go get some barbecue. Yo, nah, you ain't kidding, man. You ain't kidding. Little Caesars. The only time I've had Little Caesars is when I was in college. I played on the college baseball team. We traveled around and we would get like Little John's and Little Caesars and all this other shit pizza all the time. And I was like, man, this isn't even you can't compare it because it's not like pizza to pizza. It's just like, I don't know. It's like, yeah, it's like eating Subway and instead of going to the deli. Barbecue sucks by me. There's like no good barbecue places. Barbecue up by me is awful. Little Caesars. I ate Little Caesars when we would travel down south. So like maybe when we were like in the Carolinas or Florida or Georgia, we would get it. It'd be waiting on the bus when we got back on. You just have like a pizza pie waiting for you on your seat, and that was your dinner for the night. We got 7 minutes. If you haven't joined the duck race, we're going to let it rip at 4:20. So have you been to no, I have not. I have not. Yeah, I have a White Castle that's not. White Castle was about 10 minutes from where I grew up. I used to go a lot. DeLucas? Let me look to see where it even is. I'll see if I was even by it. Oh, they do. They have brick oven pizza. I did not go to school by where that is. I'm looking at it on the map. That's over in Raritan, Jersey. I have no idea. Never been there. Yeah. Never been there. Got to have a Trenton tomato pie. Yeah, I've been in Trenton a bunch of times. So thin, it's like paper. I've been to Halo Farms a bunch. Halo Farms was great for any college kid. That I'll tell you. Got my little guy here. All that milk and juice. The ice cream was where it was at for me. Ice cream, milk, juice. But yeah, I used to get ice cream all the time. It was like $10, not for a bunch of them. It was like $2.50 a pint. That's how long ago it was. It was $2.50 for a pint of ice cream. I don't think I'm gonna get my Halo Pub is their retail ice cream shop in Princeton. I don't know if that was even around when I was over there. Mark Cuban was a producer on the China vid. Yeah, I didn't know that. Oh, it's 3 for $10 now? Yeah, maybe it was $2 a pint then. I remember it was just super cheap. Super, super cheap. Four minutes. I'm gonna go get some water. I'm gonna go put this in the sink. And dude, their ice cream is, man, it's freaking amazing. I'll be honest with you guys, there really wasn't much trades to take today. So I didn't really take a lot of trades in my funded account. Like, to me, there was no real great setup here. We didn't come down to touch the or. I mean, we didn't do a lot of things today. It was kind of a flat day. So I apologize, but I don't mind slamming evals. I'm not just going to slam funded accounts. But I'll be right back. Oh, baby. I'm looking for. Yo, Elon Musk's bid for OpenAI was declined, by the way. Just letting you know. Only because we were talking about it. And the bid has been declined. I'm just looking to see what else is this isn't going down. Honestly, looks like it's going to go up with a stop at 24. I'll smash an eval real fast while I do this duck race.
Order rejected.
The fuck? Why would that not let me do it? I'm going to disconnect. Dude, that's fucked up.
Order rejected.
Oh. So stupid. You are banned. Sam wants more. Yo, it could definitely be a fad. All right, I'm going to light this duck race thing up. Why I'm lighting it up, just so I can see, where am I? 35. I guess if we go up there, I'm fucking out. I'm just gambling. Yo, he'll be very upset with me right now. Super upset. I'm just gambling. I'm gambling this one, obviously. By the way, just throwing it out there. If you didn't know, I will be on Topstep TV next month. So keep I'll update you guys. But yeah, I'll be on Topstep TV next month at some point and update you guys. If you're new here, because there's a couple new people, we stream every day, 10:30 till noon, and then again at 2 p.m. to 4:30. If you want to support the channel because you like all these free accounts, use coupon code COVETRADER. That's what allows me to do this all the time. Also, it should give you the best discounts. It is plugged in that way. But if it doesn't for some reason, let me know and I'll hook it up. I got one other thing. So I got a bunch of DMs, not a bunch. Over the last 3 weeks, I've gotten probably a handful of DMs. And it was pretty much that this is a trading room. So the giveaway should be used for accounts, not anything else. Hold on one second. My kid just fell off the couch. So basically, I was DM'd a bunch of through time, and that the giveaway should be used for accounts. So what I'm going to do, and to just kick it off, is we're going to do a 50K Take Profit Trader giveaway today. How it's going to work is if you win, you're going to show me the receipt for the account, and I'm going to send you the money through Venmo, PayPal, or Zelle. If you don't have PayPal, Venmo, or Zelle, and you win, then you need to tell me, because there's no way for me to send you an account then. I'm basically, you show me the receipt and I pay it for you instantly. I'll hang out on my email after the stream. So if you do it right away, great. If you say you're going to do it later on, you can find me in the Discord and I will pay you for it. That's how we're going to run it, because that seems to be a common complaint to a lot of people. So I kind of do what the people want, and it's kind of worked out pretty well. So are there giveaway police out there? There kind of is. Through time, the rules have changed due to you guys voting on things and people messaging me. Are we playing poker again this week? I might do a cash game. I might do a cash game this week. People have asked me about cash games. So I might set up a cash game on, I can't do it Thursday. My kid's in the championship for basketball. So if I do a cash game, it would be Wednesday night. I will look into that tonight or tomorrow, and we'll let everybody know, but tomorrow in the afternoon stream. Yeah. So that's how we'll do it. But I just want to give everybody the rules of the giveaway before I do it. So if you don't have PayPal, Zelle, or Venmo, and you win, say something so we can rerun this bitch. Okay? If you win, email me and I'll walk you through it all. But yes, if you guys ever want something changed in the room, we can always vote on it. That's how the room is. There is a high table to the Cove stream, just like John Wick has. Quack, quack, baby. Let's go, little buddy. Wah, wah. I'll just hit you up. Just email me, Walter. I didn't get your email. I don't have an email from you. Quack, quack, quack. Email me. Yeah, Walter, send me an email right now, dude. I know you've emailed me in the past, but I didn't get one recently. Quack, quack, quack. Okay, I'll check it right after this. Smash it, baby. Smash them ones. Dude, am I in this thing? I gotta know if I'm in it. Let you in? You should be in it. Why are you not in it, Ray? Did this just fucking freeze? Bro, that just froze. I'm running too much. I should have shut off my Ninja Traders, what I should have done. Yo, Walter, nice little mermaid outfit you got on right there at the bottom. Oh, man, this is awful. This is just fucking freezing. I don't even see my duck. I'm looking for my duck. Eminem, you gonna win? Yo, you got 2 minutes. I'm shutting off my Ninja Trader also. Yo, you got till 4:29. It's 4:28. You got 1 more minute. 1 more minute and we run it again. Oh, he's in. Dude, that was wild. Shoot me an email, Elvin. Yo, he is winning too much. Dude, if this was normal trading hours, this is why I like this trade. You got like a hammer here. You made a higher low, right? Higher low. We traded up. We're flagging, and now we're pushing. This is a really good fucking setup during normal trading hours, but obviously we're after hours, so who the fuck knows? But I like that setup. But after hours, who knows? Quack, quack, baby. Look at the little duck. He's like a little squishy thing. It's not a rubber duck either. It's like I guess it's kind of rubber, but there's like shaving cream inside, but it's super soft. It's not like a rubber ducky that you get in the bathtub. Oh, man. Pop this bitch. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Really? You're just going to reject it? This is why I don't like trading after hours. The volume is super low, and things that normally happen do not because of the volume being so low. Watch, it's going to sell all the way off. I'm just having some fun, man. I tell people that before I get in. Why? Because I'm so conditioned to take the same setups over and over that I take them, whether it's before, I condition myself that when I see the right setups, I take it even if it is after hours. But that's probably why. Like, I would have slammed this trade during regular trading hours. And I can get out right now even, but I want to let it ride. Yo, you're in jiu-jitsu competition? Who do you if I looked you up, would I see you like on the circuit somewhere? Like if I looked up Sean Colbert jiu-jitsu, are you like top 30 jiu-jitsu guys or in your weight class? Like this setup plays out. Like you could easily take it right now. Like if you followed, you could easily sell out for a profit. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. I want to see if it pops. Come on. It's gonna give me that big that big green flash candle. Yo, Corey, I'm gonna end up calling you in like 5:15. Be ready. 5:15. Be ready. Oh yeah, knee surgery. That sucks. It's 4:33 right now. We're both on the East Coast, I believe. Yo, Sean, if you compete, man, we want to see video. Damn, that sucks. That sucks, dude. That seems like a long runway back. Like that seems like 9 months to get back to normal. The Austin Open. That's cool, dude. I've always wanted to get into it, but I've taken a couple classes and I just never had the time to do it. Bye, Marie. Oh, you're gonna take it. All right, later, Ray. Come on, pop this thing right before her. Come on. Just pop it. Yeah, I've always wanted to get there's too many things I want to get into and I have no time. I have no time on my hands, to be completely honest with you. My time is so limited. I got 2 kids and I'm just always running around doing dad life stuff. So it is what it is. I got to do my activities after 8 o'clock at night. Bro, if you come up here, I'll go wherever, if it's within 2.5 hours of driving, I'll go. Yeah, Josh, you're living that dad life too. It's crazy. It's just I have to do things after they go to sleep. It's like I still go play baseball at night with like a bunch of college kids, and I can only do it at night. So I'll go play ball at night with them like twice a week. And then that's all I got time for. Ah, dude, I'll go there. I used to live not too far from there. Yeah, what is that? Hofstra, I guess. Hofstra University. So I played Division I baseball as a pitcher. I could have hit in Division I also, but they wanted me to choose to hit or pitch, and I chose to pitch. But yeah, I could have done either. I could have played right field, or I could have pitched in Division I, and I went and pitched. It was cool. I had a lot of fun. Before I smoke this eval, I'm probably going to get out. I don't like that we're trading below. I don't like that we're trading below the 34. I just got out. I got out with $50. Drawdown hurt me a little bit, but that's fine. Later, Sean. Oh, man. But yeah, sports in college was a lot of fun. A lot of fun, a lot of work, but it's so crazy though. I don't like, obviously I played at a high level. Oh, you went straight to the minors? Yeah, he was probably really good. Oh, dude, I just got out. Look at it. Fuck me. Did that just really do that? That's so crazy. It's going to suck me in. It's going to suck me in one last time. Go. This is why I don't like after hours trading. But yeah, I'm still really good. Like I still play with kids that played college ball. Like they're still going to college. I still play with them, but they've gone to like, you know, D3 schools, and, you know, a couple have gone to D2 schools. And I still hang with those guys. There's just, you know, but I played a couple guys that played D1 like within the last 2 years, and they just, you know, I'm not there anymore. That I can tell you. I am definitely not there. But I'm also 41, so it is what it is. Oh. It looks like it just wants to fucking pop, but who knows? Who knows? All right, I'm going to call this. I'm going to get going. I will be streaming live tomorrow at 10:30. If you want to support the channel, use the coupon code CoveTrader. I will see you tomorrow. I'm hoping the market conditions. How did I feel when I knew my dream was over? I am a realist, and I knew I wasn't going to go pro when I was still in college, at not my senior year. I knew when I got to college, I'll be honest with you, I got to college and I was running it up to like 88, 89. I had nasty movement, but, you know, I saw other competition and I knew I wasn't going pro. You got to remember, I'm only like 6 foot, you know, at 6 foot, I'm small. Like I was probably one of the smallest guys on the pitching staff. You know, I was really good, but I wasn't as good as the guy on my team that was throwing 98, you know, and that was just my team, not including all the other teams we played. Like I pitched against Coastal Carolina, struck out 5 guys in 3 innings. You know, I could hang with really good teams. I pitched against Ohio State. I pitched against Pitt. Like I pitched against big schools. And did fine, but I wasn't going pro. I knew that once I got to college and I kind of saw what was going on, I realized that it is what it is. I'm getting basically a free education. I was on basically full scholarship. And listen, it just, yeah, I currently still play. I still play with college kids, Walter. I could still probably run it up to, it's physical. I could probably still run it up to like 81, 82 on a gun. You know, which is what some of these D3 guys are doing. I could throw nasty. I got a bunch of pitches I could throw for strikes, a lot of movement. I still do perfectly fine against college kids that are on the lower levels. Obviously, if I pitched against some kid that just got done at Division I, he is probably going to hit the ball off of me. Oh, you played with the Astros for 4 years? Yeah, that's legit. A bunch of my friends played pro. Like, I know a bunch of guys that went pro. You know, I knew right away I wasn't going. Oh, yeah. No, but there's a bunch of guys that played ball that are on these streams, man. Yo, later, Horizon. But, all right, dudes. I will see you guys tomorrow at 10:30. I'm holding this trade till the end. So just letting you know, I'm in this shit. I'm not selling this thing again, and we'll see what happens. Oh, you sucked? Yeah. I'm sure they were pretty good, though. I've seen some of my friends on TV watching them. It's pretty cool. Later.